Hello everyone, and yes, welcome to my channel. So Mr. Reactor, and also I am reacting any kinds of music here which was released today. So because I don't know some music, because I am an old school type of music, and I also listen to rock music, metal music, hardcore, alternative, and 90s alternative, and also I'm also listening to reggae music. And I'm also listening to island reggae, and it's also some stuff that, and also ska music, and also 90s pop and 80s pop, and everything that is going on, right? So I'm an old school music of a person, and also I'm gonna be listening to this also new genre of today's music, right? So yeah, okay. Without further ado, let's get started. All right.
Алатау көк қалан қардилы мелди алатау биги жол бутулхан хекампед ебалыгы биги жол будулхан биги жол бут камулаппе одуир ханарга бердек бүгүн биги кана бут алатауга Ярга ханаргон мен меня ханаргон алатау очогой ханарга алатау очогой ханарга
диги ратата алатау диги ратта
так тередик та диги ратата так тередик так диги ратта диги ратата диги ратата так тередик та диги ратата алатау диги ратта тандыгдин тук тандыгдин тук Оду хир бу хирге оду хир бу хирге оду көргө мине оду көркөрө мине алатау ханабан бүгүн бияка ханабан бүгүн бияка ханабан Digi ratata tak teredik ta digi ratata alatau digi rata tantugedin data alatau tantugedin digi rata digi ratata tak teredik tuk tak din ta digi ratata tantugedin data tak din ta tantugedin digi rata tuk tak
Wow, nice. nice. All right. So I don't know what is Alataw, right? So I don't know what is Alataw. So gonna have to check that out. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to check it out. So yes, um, gonna have to go right there. Okay. Ah, it's a mountain. Okay. Okay, it's a mountain. So this like right over here it says the Alataw Mountains, primarily located in Kazakhstan. Ah, okay. Kazakhstan in China are part of the Tian Shan Range, known for high peaks over 4,400 miles. Okay, glaciers, deep gorges, okay, and rich biodiversity, including snow leopards and ibex. Ibex, okay, I never heard that ibex. Okay, key ranges include the Jung Zong. How to pronounce this one? I forgot how to pronounce. I forgot how to pronounce this one. I think this is a Zungaria in Alataw in the Kriziks Alatu, offering significant hiking, skiing, and trekking, particularly in areas like the Ili Alataw National Park near Almaty. Ah, okay. So this band also, let's go. Gonna have to check this out. Oh, there you go. Musical group. Okay. So this one right here. Gonna have to. Okay. Check that out right over here. Okay, there you go. Otikin is a Russian Siberian indigenous music group that mixes elements of local folk music with modern pop, incorporating traditional instruments, lyrics, and languages. Otikin is a word is issued in Chulim language for a sacred place where warriors would lay down their arms and talk. Ah, okay. Origin from Krasnoyarsk Krai, Russia. That's an electronic, but what I heard in the music is just like a tribal, like shaman, like the shaman. So how to pronounce this one? So there you go. Yeah, okay, there you go. Oh, okay. Otukien. Okay. Otukien, okay, Otukien is a Russian Siberian indigenous music group, right? So they are from Siberia, yeah? They are from Russia, a region from Russia, which is called a Siberia, which also the I think is the Siberia is also has some beautiful landscapes because of their snowy places, right? So what I seen from the history of the Siberia, go, yeah. So and also they are, I think they are a mixed native tongue language, right? So they have their native tongue language. So okay, yeah. Didn't expect that one, so I really like the music. So I guess I'm gonna be having a new obsession of music. We've got some tribal EDM right over here, right? Okay, tribal electronic dance music, and it's also from, and it's also is from the is also a shaman, right? So as what I have seen in the, what is this one? As what I have seen in this one right over here is they got this kind of costume, yeah, is our shaman, right? So our shaman, so this our shaman, so okay, this our shaman right over here. So oh, okay, active, they are active from 2015 until today, right? So they are active from 2015 until today. Yeah, there you go, there you have it. Yeah, look at that. So 2015 from, yeah, there you have it. Yeah, I really like this one, I really like this one. So yeah, my new obsession of music is a tribal EDM right over here. All right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Here we go, guys. So yeah. There you go. So you already saw. Already saw the video, right? So this is a good one also. A tribal EDM, right? A tribal EDM. So tribal instruments mixed with modern music today, right? So they mixing it up, they mix it with up with an electronic music. So since electronic music is now cultural today's music, right? So since they are tribal, so they are Otukien. So how to pronounce it is Otukien, but but when you see the spelling is Otiken, right? So Otiken. So if you're gonna have to pronounce it with their language, it's Otokian. So Otokian is also a place in Siberia, right? And it's also the song Alatau is all about the mountain. So right, so this is a big this is a big mountain, right? Alatau mountain is a big mountain. So which is also part from the Kyrgyzstan, I think. Kyrgyzstan and also China. So this is a big one. So since Russia is divided into two continents, right? Europe and Asia. So that's why Russia is called as Eurasia. So that's what happens. That's what happens when two continent mixed it up with one indigenous group right here is Otokian, right? So you see their faces, right? So this is like an Asian people, right? Asian people, and so their eyes also. This is like a Chinese, I think, right? So yeah, but when I found out that they are Siberia, right? So they are Siberian. So they uses their mother tongue to sing, okay, and they are singing the Alatau Mountains, right? So they are singing the Alatau Mountains, which is really comes from the heart. So really, I really appreciate that kind of excuse me. So I really appreciate that kind of music, right? So since we are living in today's world that just like that. So and then when it comes to music like that, I heard it in Facebook Reels. So what is this music? I'm gonna have to search it. Okay, I'm gonna have to search it, but I don't want to. I just only listen the music. Just a clip, right? Because I don't want to listen the music before I'm gonna have to make a reaction video. So for today, this is my first video of my channel. Okay, and I hope also you like it. So yeah, comes from the heart. Alatau Mountains, right? So yeah, perfect. And it really feels and hit me a lot for that one. So environment, and also they are shaman also, right? So Siberian people are also shamans, right? And it's also Siberia, you don't forget about it, Siberian Husky also, right? So yeah, Siberian Husky is also part of their culture, right? So yeah, Siberian Husky comes from also Siberia, right? So they also the sled dog. They're using the Siberian Husky as a sled dog, right? All right. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. So and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is my first video of my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So see you again on the next reaction, everyone.